Good morning students. Today we are going to start lesson 2, numbers up to 9. See, in this picture different animals and two boys are there, and one big yellow sun is also there. And from this picture the counting, you will have to count all that animals and you will have to write number. One big yellow sun. See, one big, that is 1. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Then two boys having fun. Two boys having fun. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. Three ants in a line. Three ants in a line. 1, 2, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 3. Four squirrels looking fine. See, where is the squirrels? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R. Fish. 5 fish playing around. See, that fish are playing around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. Spelling is F-I-V-E, 5. 6 bees buzzing aloud. Where is bees? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bees. And what is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. 7 apples on the tree. This apples on the tree. What is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8 birds flying free. Birds, see, this is birds. They are flying free. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9 flowers, orange and red. This is flowers. They are 9. What is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. Now you will have to learn the spelling of 1 to 9 properly. O-N-E, 1, T-W-O, 2, T-H-R-E-E, 3, F-O-U-R, 4, F-I-V-E, 5, S-I-X, 6, S-E-V-E-N, 7, E-I-G-H-T, 8, N-I-N-E, 9. Now activity 1 we will start. See, activity 1. Count and write the number and number name. The first has been done for you. This has been done for you. How many roses are there? 1, 2, 3. What is the spelling of 3? Here we write number, here spelling. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 4 number we will write here. F-O-U-R, 4. Next, how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. What is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now, how many chocolates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Now, this one. How many are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Alright, now 1. Only one sun is there. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. And this is your homework. Join the dots from 1 to 9. Complete the picture. By joining these numbers, you can complete the picture. That is your homework. Now turn the page. Now concept of 0. What is 0? We will understand from this picture. 3 birds sit on the wall. See, 3 birds are there. 1 bird flew away. 1 flew away. How many left? 2. 2 birds sit on the wall. Ye 2 birds are there. 1 bird fly away. How many left? Only 1 left. 1 bird sits on the wall, on a wall. See, 1 birds are there. 1 bird is there. And the bird flies away. How many left? No birds is there. 0. What is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. Nothing is there. That's why we are saying this one 0. Now you understand what is 0? Yes. Now comparison of numbers. See. Greater, smaller, equal to. 3 things are there. You have seen fish, and this is the mouth of fish. And fish will open its mouth towards the greater number of fish. Alright, see, here is 4, here is 2. And where we open the mouth? Where the greater number of fish are there. Now you understand properly from this one that where the greater number will be there, wherever the greater number will be there, the fish of mouth will open. Alright, now see, the fish turns away from the smaller number of fish. 1 or 3. Here fish is there, here 3. Now fish has opened its mouth like this because greater number of fishes are there. The fish is not sure which one to eat now. See, equal number of fish. That's why we will make equal sign. Now you understand? Greater than, smaller than, and this one equal to. Here 4 is greater than 2. Here 1 is smaller than 3. Here 5 is equal to 5. Now you understand this one? Comparison of numbers. Alright. Now turn the page. Activity 2. Now activity 2 we will done. Compare the groups and put the sign. 3 signs are there. See, greater, smaller than, greater than, and then equal to. Now this one. See, how many cycles are there? 1, 2, 3. We will write 3 here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cycles are there. Which one is greater? Yes, 4 is greater. That's why fish will open its mouth towards 4. Yes. Now you understand? Then here see, equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 7. Equal sign we will make. Alright. Now, here 3 mangoes, here 9 mangoes. Which is greater? 9. That's why we will open its mouth like this. Means 3 is smaller than 9. Here 4, here 2. 4 lions, 2 lions. Which one is greater? 4. Now you understand how to make this sign. Okay. Again this one, 4 kites, equal sign. Here see, 5 birds, here 8 birds. Which one is greater? 8. That's why the mouth will open like this towards 8. Now how many ice creams are there? 8. Here 5. Which one is more? 8. Yes, 8 is greater. That's why the mouth will open like this towards 8. Next is, how many toffees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toffees. Here 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. 9 are there. Which one is greater? 9. Yes. Means 5 is less than 9. Now you practice at home so that you can understand how to do this one. Alright. Okay. Now comparison on number line. See, this is number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 we will see here. The number closer to 0 is smaller. Now you understand? This is 0. The number which is closer to 0, that is smaller. And as we move away from 0, the numbers become greater. Now you understand this one? Again listen. The number closer to 0 means 1. 1 is closer to 0. This is smaller. As we move away from 0, the numbers become greater. 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 4. Now you understand this one? Yes. Okay. Now activity 3 also. The sign you will have to make. That is smaller one, that is greater one. Now see here, 5 is smaller than 7. Which is closer to number line? Yes, 5. That's why 5 is smaller than 7. Here 6 and 1. Which is closer to 0? Which one? Yes, 1. That's why 1 is smaller than 6. 6 is greater than 1. Now